Brandon with Davidson-audio, and today we are going to be talking about a new shop bike that we purchased. And no, it is not an Indian. It actually is a Harley Ultra Classic Limited, which I guess is it's built off the Harley Street Glide chassis, but it's their touring liquid cooled model. So the reason we purchased this bike, this is a 2014. The 2014 and newers, they changed the audio system on them. They have the newer style radio on them. And then if you're familiar with the Harleys, usually when you're looking at parts, it's 13 and older and 14 and newer. So we wanted to make sure that we purchased a 2014, so that way we were in the 14 and newer category. That way we could be doing some audio packages for these. Now let me clarify, we are not going to be shipping and selling audio packages like we are for the Indians. We are simply doing in-house installs for the Harleys. And the reason we're doing that is to help fund our Indian motorcycle prototyping, product development, and all of that. So to help do that, we're going to be doing in-house installs on all of the Harleys. This will be from the street glides, road glides, and all of that. And what we're going to be doing is staged packages, which we are going to be doing a stage 3 on this one, which is going to be fairing, lids, and 8-inch mid-bass inside the bags on 2 amplifiers. We'll get more into that in our follow-up video when we have all that installed. We'll do a walk around, show you all that, and then we'll do a little bit of a demo on it. And then we might do some further videos on package specifics and whatnot. Really, we purchased this bike from Wheels and Deals out in Louisiana. Great crew out there, we called them. When I saw this bike for sale, hit them up, worked with me on the process, sent them over the payment, and then they shipped the bike directly to us. We got it, we unloaded it off the truck, and we may or may not have done a burnout or two. I think I did 1 or 2, and then Mr. Nick did a pretty gnarly burnout first. Then we went ahead and did some cool launches to see if this thing really has more power than the Indians. Just an FYI, they don't. We had some fun with it. Now it's time to tear it all down. A couple of things I do want to get rid of is, one, right off the rip, is this 5-foot windshield that's on here. I went and got a little cheesy black one to replace this with. And then another thing is this one has just a quick little like half-turn bag releases. We're getting rid of those and doing the full spin handles on them. And like I said, other than that, we're going to get this audio package installed on it, and then in a future video you'll see that. So with that being said, if you have a Harley and you want us to do an install, get a hold of us. We'll set you up an appointment, have you come in, we'll get you an audio package installed, and you can hear this bike. This will be in the showroom pretty much at all times with a stage 3 package on it, so that way we can turn certain things off and give you an experience for different packages. So with that being said, I'm Brandon with Davidson-audio here in Panama City, Florida. Please do not hesitate to give us a call at 607-800-1032 or shoot me an email at brandon@davidson-audio.com. And for this video, it's a wrap.